Hi everyone, my name is Pero and I'm from DH123. So today I would like to share about a book reviews. The topic will be Python All-in-One for Dummies and it's authored by John C. Shovic and Alan Simpson. So this is actually a book that is a comprehensive guide designed for both beginners and intermediate learners who want to dive into our Python's programming language and know more about it. Is actually simplifies all those complex topics within easier to understand words and explanations. So it's cover a wide range of Python's related topics, make it actually a valuable resources for people like me or for those who anyone who is looking for the strong foundation of Pythons. So, for examples, let us see about this topic. It actually including many type of libraries for the beginners to like let them know that what is library and what kind of library that we can use in our Python programming language. The most famous one including in the most famous three libraries including NumPy, pandas and matplotlib, and it actually gives us a strong introductions that and clear explanations provided here with examples and tips that let us to know how and what command line that we can use when we want to installing NumPy on a Raspberry Pi. So you can see that we can use this command and then can type in our computers and started to download it. So it's actually more on hands-on approach. So they give us many kind of examples, exercise, so we can follow it. And with all the coding is with comments, so that we are clear that which kind of command or which kind of coding that is used for and their function. So it is clearly mentioned that it's for dummy series, so we can just follow the instructions and it's very reader friendly format with all those key takeaways and tips. So it also provides us output so that we can compare our output and see that is there any error or is there any difference. So we should see the following results so we can compare to it, and then it's very user friendly for me, and it touches a variety of fields from web development to data science and cybersecurity, giving readers a broad understanding of Python's capabilities. And these books is actually excellent resources for everyone who is looking to start or expand their knowledge for Pythons. It provides a well-rounded instructions to the and introductions of the language and its varieties of applications. However, for those who is seeking in a deep expertise in specific areas such as AI or web development, it may need additional specialized books or courses. So, in conclusion, I can say that is a very good books for those beginners and intermediate learners. Although that those advanced users may find it a bit too generous. That's all for me. Thank you.